Good afternoon and welcome to Hicks Hadley. I'm Charlotte Gray and I'm going to be showing you around 23 Furnace Hill. As you can see, walking distance to Halesowen College and the town centre, really good location. Got a restaurant just at the bottom of that street. And I'm going to take you inside 23. As you can see, just in front you've got the stairs leading to the first floor. You've got wooden style flooring, open planned living dining area. As you can see, you've got 2 radiators, gas central heating, pendant style lights. You've got double glazing to the front elevation and the rear elevation, which makes this property really nice and light. Got good sized kitchen area, ample unit space. The boiler is fitted just there. You've got double glazing to the side elevation and the rear elevation. Really good sized garden as well. Just show you outside. That's the garden. Low maintenance. You've got some slabbing area here. Just a little bit of side space just there. Take you back in. And then we're going to go to the first floor. As you can see, really good sized living area. Let's go upstairs. So you've got a door just here which leads to the bathroom, but I'll take you in the bedrooms first. So let's open this door. It's got pendant light and spotlights to the side, which is really gives a really nice finish. And then, as you can see, fitted wardrobes which do go back quite far, actually really good space. You got me, hello. And then, as you can see, you've got double glazing to the front elevation. Good sized bedroom, and then we'll go into bedroom 2. Push the door. Let's put the light on. Again, good sized space. We'll show you out that back window as well, so you can have a look at the garden. You can see you're not really overlooked either, which is really nice. Got some nice big conifers at the back of the garden. And then I'll take you into the bathroom. Good space, your bath, which does have an electric shower over as well, and then privacy glass. So take a look on the Hicks Hadley website. 23 Furnace Hill, and if you are interested in booking a viewing, give us a call. Thank you.